I'm Kiara from Charm City Buyers, and you should be pumped. Why? Because a lot of you have been waiting for a shift in the market to be able to jump in. And so I want to make sure you know what you should be thinking about or considering as you look to make that happen. So number one, hopefully during this time period of preparing for a shift in the market, you've been educating yourself. Right? A lot of times folks talk about what they gonna do, what they should do, what they want to do without preparing to make that happen. So if you haven't, now's the time to start making sure you have access to the resources, the guidance, and the tools that you need to be able to take smart actions during this time. Just because there's a shift in the market or a recession doesn't necessarily mean that every deal is good. So you need to make sure that you know how to differentiate between a house and a deal, right? When it comes to being a true investor. The second thing you want to think about and consider as we go through this transition of great opportunity is where are the hot spots, right? Where is it that you should be focusing and thinking about investing in to set yourself up for mass success? Of course, me being at Charm City Buyers and in Baltimore, Baltimore is always going to be the hottest spot. But you want to look for areas and opportunities where there may be a larger shift in what the market looks like, maybe a bigger dip because of whatever, because companies are closing or things are shifting in the economic market. You also want to think about where are long-term opportunities, right? Where are markets and neighborhoods in cities that may be already undervalued, where you can kind of come in, maybe get something 10, 15% lower than we've seen the last couple of years and be able to ride that wave as the recovery comes and hits. The next thing that you want to think about and consider is your own financial capacity, right? Do you have the savings and emergency funds that you need personally in addition to what you want to leverage to be able to invest? What's your credit looking like, right? What are all those things that you need to be prepared for as we transition into this new market, regardless of what that looks like? Here's the thing. Money is made in every part of the real estate cycle. It's cyclical, and people are doing fantastic things when the market is super hot, just like they are when the market is cooled off. This may not look like the real estate shift that happened in 2008, right? That was that time where the market just completely, the bottom fell out. And so here we are in a space where there is economic pressure for the real estate market to cool off a bit, but we also have super low inventory. So what that actually means for us right now, no one has a crystal ball and can tell us. But what I can tell you is the more prepared you are to take action, the better able you'll be to make the moves that you need to accomplish your goals. So if this is the time that you've been waiting for, great, we're almost there. But have you spent this time preparing for what's to come? Not too sure. Make sure that you're connecting with the folks that you need to be able to get access to those resources, the guidance, and the tools. Make sure your community is one in which folks are focusing on investing, whether it's in real estate or stocks or otherwise, to keep your head in the game when it comes to your goals so that you can go out there, make things happen, and help us build wealth. And if you are focused on Baltimore, help us build Baltimore as well. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel as we continue to share tips and tricks of the game so that you can find success in real estate and particularly in Baltimore. Thanks.